Bet you didn't know that your grandma's house is the next big trend in interior design. Hi, I'm Natalia. I'm the dopamine designer. I help people create spaces that they love that are based on their interior design personality. And the reason I know this particular style is going to be popular in the next coming years is because I have an interior design test that went super viral a few months ago. And this style was the top matching style. It's things that look like this. There's a lot of names that it can go by. Eclectic colonial, vintage Victorian, eclectic traditional, and in more muted colors, you could call it cottagecore. And if you don't know what your interior design type is yet, you can go to the link in my bio and take the quiz. And remember, if the quiz doesn't get it right, you can download a free primer at the end of the quiz, and that will show you pictures of all the types. You can look at the pictures and really decide what your type is. Nearly 20% of the people who take my quiz get this result. This is the guidebook for type 25. And what you get is your top matching interior design style, and then a page on sister styles. A sister style is what happens when you change just one preference, so you can kind of expand what your type is. You're then given a list of your top and matching interior design styles, along with tips on how to decorate in that type. Next is the color palettes. You'll be given color palettes and then photo representations of what would it look like if you decorated in that color palette. I'm a checklist girly. This tells you how to decorate your house in a maximal style. These pages give you inspiration of things to put in your house. So basically you take this to the store and then you can use this as a reference to purchase things. And that way you never have to wonder, is this gonna look good in my space or not? You just compare it to the pictures and then you'll know.